Hello, my name is Kwadio and I'm the founder of P51. P51's mission is to fix cybersecurity at the core fundamentally, and we do so by bringing security at the hardware chip level. What I believe, as opposed to I think what most people believe, is that true security must be at the hardware level instead of at the software level, because anything at or above the operating system level is obviously provably breachable, whilst um, when security lives at the chip level, the attacker will have to beat physics and crypto in order to successfully penetrate a given system that has this chip inside it. So it's really like at least two orders of magnitudes harder for an attacker to breach such system than it is to breach currently software-based cybersecurity products. So the product is a combination of two engines, which is a self-play reinforcement learning engine that self-attacks and self-defends itself, and from that self-play, are born new rules throughout the whole cybersecurity stack, and that powerful engine is infused within chips, and then those chips are the ones that are used in laptops, grids, and data centers. So that's the idea of it. So I'm currently raising $500,000 to build a super talented and extremely hardworking team to help build up three people, one reinforcement learning engineer, um, one policy compiler engineer, and one hardware architect, because we need to infuse that engine within chips. Um, uh, how we position ourselves in the market is very simple. We're not competing with anyone. We rather bring in value to everyone. So our partners are chip makers, NIC and GPU vendors, um, also hyperscalers and original equipment manufacturers, and we so the way we partner with them is, when I take chip makers for example, we they keep their proprietary technologies. If it's CUDA that they emphasize on, or the chip that they make is AI specialized, they keep everything that they do. We don't bring anything like that. All we bring is the cybersecurity brain, and then the cybersecurity brain that works perfectly with whatever specific value that they provide to their users or their customers. So that's how we partner with chip makers, and we partner with original equipment manufacturers in a similar way as well. So everything that we do is just to bring additional value to the current economy, and to the current chip and AI ecosystem, without competing with anyone, because such a solution doesn't really exist right now. So that's pretty much it for the plan. The money will be used to first build the self play engine, then build the infusion intellectual property, which is very important. So after we build the engine, we have to infuse it within chips. So we'll build that infusion IP next after building the engine. And after that, the next step in the plan is to find design partners, starting with chip, at least one chip maker or one NIC vendor, uh, to co-design a specific, like, let's say, cybersecurity built-in chip, and pilot that. So that's pretty much the plan for on the 12 month period. So the sooner we start, the faster we can move. Thank you.